How to zoom out and zoom in on Wix. To do it, you want to go to your Wix editor right here, and after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click this 100% beside the tools button. And there you go. It will automatically zoom out on your website. And you can look better on your own website. But unfortunately, you cannot zoom out on a custom percentage. So for example, you wanted to zoom out by 75%, you cannot do that and you can only zoom out to 15%. And then to zoom in again, you can just click on the 50% and it will go back automatically. And also there is a catch where you cannot really stay zooming out when editing. It just keeps zooming in back again when you try to click or edit something. So for example, I want to edit this explore now and I can click on it and there you go. And then to stay zooming out while editing, you can use the zoom function available in your browser. If you are on Windows, you can click on your keyboard Ctrl plus and minus, hold on Ctrl plus and minus again, and it will zoom out over and over. And then to zoom in, you can just click on Ctrl plus and plus, hold Command plus and plus. And there you go. And if you are on Mac, you can just choose on Command plus and plus or Command plus and minus. And then some quick tips. You can just press Ctrl or Command and 0 to return to your browser default zoom. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.